Okay, we're back up here at Barkley. Does anybody want to come through and speak to us here? Where's the miners at? Are they still working here? You guys not like us here? You know that we've seen you here many a times, that's why we come back again. We just wondered if you could do the same thing today for us. We want to see if you'll show yourself to us here today. Can you remember my name? Do you remember my name? What was the little girl's name that was here last time? That was over by the woods. What's that, dude?
He was just laughing.
Really? On this? You got it.
Got it. You hear that?
What was it?
I hear laughing.
Is the little girl laughing right now? Was the little girl just laughing? Thought we just heard her laughing. What's your name, little girl? Can you say what your name is? We didn't think you guys would mind if we come back up here today. Where is the stone of the little girl that likes to come play? Is somebody making like a hissing sound around me? How many of you are standing around me right now? In our face? Does anybody want to say anything to us? Do you remember what my name is? How old is the little girl? Eight? Yeah. Is she around us right now? Can you appear in front of us, girl? Like you did the last time? We just want to see if you'll come out and talk to us, or come out and play with us, actually, if you want. You getting something on that?
I think she's over there. I don't see anything.
Can you come right out in front of us? Show yourself to us? We know you're up around here, we just want to see you. Can you make some noises for us today? Some sticks or something? Okay, Pam must be down below.
We heard you
such
laughing over there.
Was the girl laughing over here a minute ago? Yes? I know. Some old stones. Are these children that are buried right here? There's a lot of children in here, isn't there, buried? I think they just said Sylvania.
It's building. Is that you?
Was that the girl? Does she want to come out and play? Or are you down playing with the girl Pam down there? Is there somebody down around her? Is it true there were grave robbings up here? Yes? Is that why, is the spirits here restless? Shut that off a minute. Really? It's known to happen here. It's a good idea. Sit and listen a minute.
Nice if we can get some miners doing some pickaxing up here.
Yeah.